kayak with Abang Kamal. Okay, you ready? Ready eh? Ready? Alright. Okay. Okay bro, we see if I got luck, we keep in touch on you. Alright, take care. Spot with my friend Zali, Bang Kamal, and me myself. Okay, we'll see how to respond, bro. Duri eh? Okay, alright. Good start, huh? Okay. Oh, I got a strike, bro. Might wanna strike. Right. Oh, it's a marine catfish, bro. Yeah, marine catfish. Not bad for the start. Alright. Okay, got strike again. Wow, red sniper, not bad. Okay, good start, bang. Angkat sikit. Alright, how is it? Woo, not bad. Alright, we'll see. Good day today. Okay, my friend hook up fish. Oh, still a marine catfish today. A lot of them. Good try. Turun pro, Alright. Okay, well done, bro. One puffer fish, quite a good size. Alright. Okay. Okay, we go strike. Let's see what fish is that. Wow, it's the same fish. Well done. Okay, give me one. Okay, cantik lagi tunjuk sikit bang. Saya ingat sikit. Fuh. Alright. Nice try. Mira. Baik. Tengok. Yes, Abang Kamal. Well done.